Hello everyone, welcome back to VRR Tutorials. I am Krishna Reddy.
And I'm Lohit.
In this video, I am going to teach my son pronouns and present helping verbs in Hindi. By listening and watching this video, you can learn how to use pronouns and present helping verbs in Hindi. Shall we start?
Yes, we can start.
In this lesson, we will learn how to talk about our own or others' current state, current state of being, such as name, profession, quality, location, etc. To form a meaningful sentence, you must use the correct auxiliary verb that corresponds to each pronoun. We need to use a correct auxiliary verb for each pronoun to form a meaningful sentence. So tell me what we are going to learn in this lesson.
In this lesson, we are going to learn present helping verbs and pronouns.
Okay, how can we make a meaningful sentence?
To create a meaningful sentence in Hindi, we must use the correct auxiliary verbs with the pronouns.
Very nice. So, shall we learn pronouns one by one?
Let's start.
Good. Then let us learn the singular pronouns. Singular pronouns. Our first pronoun is मैं. What is this?
मैं.
मैं. मैं is nothing but I in English. मैं is used to talk about ourselves in Hindi. मैं is nothing but I. Okay. Then who. Who is nothing but am. Who is nothing but am. Okay. I am. मैं हूँ. Okay. मैं हूँ. Used by the speaker to refer to themselves. For example, I am Krishna Reddy. You need to say your name.
मैं लोहित हूँ.
Very good. मैं, I, हूँ means am. I am. मैं लोहित हूँ. मैं कृष्णा हूँ. Okay, you need to place your name between this मैं and हूँ. Okay, मैं राधा हूँ. Okay, मैं राम हूँ. Okay, मैं रॉबर्ट हूँ. Like this. With these two words, मैं and हूँ, we can introduce ourselves to others. Hindi is called verb final language. The verbs and auxiliary verbs would be there at the end of the sentence. That is why Hindi is called verb final language. Here we can see that who is there at the end of the sentence. मैं कृष्णा हूँ. Hindi is a
Verb final language.
means
It means all the auxiliary verbs and words come at the end of the sentence.
very nice, very nice. Okay, like that, मैं कृष्णा हूँ. I am Krishna. I am a teacher. If you say your profession or your state, you can say like this. मैं एक teacher हूँ. मैं एक teacher हूँ. Say about you.
मैं लोहित हूँ. मैं
छात्र हूँ. छात्र means student.
मैं छात्र हूँ.
Very nice, very nice. मैं लोहित हूँ. मैं छात्र हूँ. Like that, you can place your profession there. If you are an engineer, you can say I am an engineer. Okay, मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ. मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. मैं एक lawyer हूँ. Like that, you can use your profession there. Got it? So far, we learned how to say our name and our profession in Hindi. Then, we can say our place too, location. Okay, I am at home. I am at home. मैं घर पर हूँ. मैं, I, at, पर, घर means house. मैं घर पर हूँ means I am at home. I am at home. Say, I am at home.
मैं घर पर हूँ.
Very good. मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. मैं, I, घर, house, पर, at, home, am. I am at home. मैं घर पर हूँ. If you are in the office, you can say I am in the office. In Hindi, मैं दफ्तर. दफ्तर means office. दफ्तर or कार्यालय. कार्यालय. I am at office means मैं दफ्तर में हूँ. मैं कार्यालय में हूँ. कार्यालय में means in. I am in office. मैं दफ्तर में हूँ. मैं कार्यालय में हूँ. Okay, if you are in your school, you have to say that I am in school. How can you say?
मैं स्कूल में हूँ.
Very good. मैं स्कूल में हूँ. मैं स्कूल में हूँ. I'm in school. I'm in school. Okay, like that you can say your place, current place. Okay, current location of yours. So far we learned how to say our name, how to say our profession, how to say our location. Then we are going to learn how to say our state, how we are. For example, I am fine. I am fine. If you'd like to say in Hindi, you can say मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ means I am fine. Fine means ठीक. You can use अच्छा or अच्छी. Okay, you can use अच्छा or अच्छी. अच्छा for masculine gender, अच्छी for feminine gender. Got it? अच्छा for masculine gender, अच्छी for feminine gender. Okay, I'm going to ask you how are you. You need to say I am fine in Hindi. Okay, how are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ.
मैं ठीक हूँ. How can you say in another way?
मैं अच्छा हूँ.
मैं अच्छा हूँ. Why didn't you use अच्छी here?
Because I am a male and acha is for males and achi is for females.
Very nice, very nice. If you are male, you can use अच्छा. If you are female, you have to use अच्छी. Got it? मैं अच्छा हूँ. मैं अच्छी हूँ. Okay. ठीक is for both male and female. Okay. So मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. Okay. अच्छा means good in Hindi, so that I am good. I am good. If you would like to say I am good or fine, you can use acha and achi. So far we learned how to say our name as well as our profession, our location and our condition in Hindi. Okay. मैं कृष्णा हूँ. मैं एक टीचर हूँ. मैं घर पर हूँ. मैं दफ्तर में हूँ. Okay, you can say your town like मैं विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ. विशाखापट्टनम is my location, so that I can say मैं विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ. Okay, मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. Can you say all these things? I am going to ask you one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Name.
मैं लोहित हूँ.
Okay. Profession or your state.
मैं छात्र हूँ.
मैं छात्र हूँ. I am a student. Very nice. Where are you?
मैं विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ.
Very good. मैं विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ. If you are in school?
मैं स्कूल में हूँ.
मैं स्कूल में हूँ. School in Hindi पाठशाला. What is that?
पाठशाला.
पाठशाला. मैं पाठशाला में हूँ. Or you can use school, no problem. Anybody can understand school, so that you can use school. Okay. मैं स्कूल में हूँ. Okay. Very nice. Next, how are you?
मैं अच्छा और ठीक हूँ.
Very good. मैं अच्छा हूँ और ठीक हूँ. So we learned a lot using these two words मैं and हूँ in this session. We are going to learn all the pronouns in the next sessions. Please keep following our videos to learn Hindi through English in a easiest way. Please don't forget subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.
See you in the next video. Thank you.